Houston, Integrity is ready for the event.
We took some pictures earlier today, and then after putting them on the computer to look closer, we found a feature. You know, the Grand Canyon of the moon is called Oriental Basin, and we were able to see the entire thing. Stand by. We were able to see the entire thing, and so it's clear that we are not on Earth because that feature is not all visible from Earth. And so it's already special, the view that we have. And yes, the Earth is quite small and the moon is definitely getting bigger.
Thanks so much for joining us on board Integrity. It's a great ship here, and we're closer to the moon today than we are to Earth. This is a big milestone for us, and we look forward to sharing more with you in the coming days. Wishing you all the best. Au revoir.
We still not believing. No. I don't know.